That's a car. This is a race.
Who will it be?
My God. Wicked sound of this people. Remember, two bad Kiara one. Two bad Kiara at the track right now. What is the right lane? What is the right lane? That is it. My lord. That the car the fast and that the jeep the fast. Those are two powerful cups.
Right lane. Tyron driving the M2 in the left lane. Who will win this one? All phones are out. Look at that.
Me know what winner, but not talk yet. My lord! No, that is a thief.
Ladies and gentlemen,
That's why I'm doing me a buy the dimmer.
in the X3, definitely showing us what is on.
That's an X3. No problem with X3. And no matter what the X7. This is new. Put them away. But that is what? That's a Mitsubishi. Yes, that's a Mitsubishi.
So ladies and gentlemen, when I came to Club Rival, this car stuck in my head.
The winnings go to the white place. One minute.
Making his way also to the line in the left lane.
That is it. Only the ball of the Watch this people, 14 wicked. You got it. I get your food, boy. That's ridiculous. Yeah. After that, we have those top here again. You see me? We can't make the crowd. You see?
The race seems to be won't have any more races on.
The next clash I come up at the clash of the day now. One of the clash of the day this is trouble. Walk one. Them and the judge are start outside.
All right.
People, people about the race who have been sitting up on a car there, I see, before the owner forward for it. It's an MCB card, please enter. Looking at your pocket.
Okay. All right. So we allow the people to. So we're not, set the record straight once and for all. Sherwin, Irving, and Jackson.
I know the men. Again, one half you win. This is the race. This is the race. Yeah, you're not easy to get back and is the champion for the day
And even of the belt,
in the that category.
of the belt for the front drive of Motor Nitrous belt. The winner will be Mohammed Damian. So even if one driver can move, that's how
Take. Yeah, press, spread up. No, you can't get it. brother. That's the extreme. Right.
We're calling up Chris. So Uncle Willie showing up Chris.
Uncle Willie, Sherman and Chris, get to the booth right now.
We're just asking you to cooperate. And we want to get the
Uncle Willie, get on the line right now.
go up against Uncle Willie. That's Gordon Chuck, aka the Dumpy Chuck.
Real Dumpy Chuck.
And then the gentleman positions himself in the left lane and unlocks my sense of hearing.
In the left lane, Nigel going up against the
Oh wow!
coming up there. That's the first one. Oh, alright. Sherwin, link up right now to the chuck. Sherwin. No further. Yeah, he does a easy. Does a easy.
Gordon Chuck,
Yeah, people may ask enough for just back a little bit, please.
clear the way, please.
Yeah, just back, please.
We'll now
Please.
have the finals for
The
the
finals.
all-wheel drive.
Please,
versus
Anta.
rear-wheel drive. We have
We're
Sherwin.
not going to final yet, you know. Yeah, we're not around the final yet. And when the rain a come, the people have to come off my chop.
So the officer has
The
it.
people have to come off my chop, please, Anta. People, just come off my chop, please. Just come off my chop.
Or will it be the GTR that is a
This is one of the finals.
big
One of the big finals. The X3 God with it. The X3 God with it.
Going back. Not even going to think what it's all.
What is it? Yeah? No, we not understand it. It come out hard from morning, you know. It come out water with. This is the first grudge match. Next up we have a 50 pack to give away. Oh, we are giving a 50 there. But we know we are serious stuff. Watch it, God. Please, make them on a people, please. Don't officer, help me, man. Please, now, help me out, people.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.